It's really important to keep your gear clean, to look after your EDC. And here is a 5-minute quick maintenance routine to keep your Swiss Army knife clean and ready to go. So starting off, let's give it a quick clean. Now, if you've only got a few minutes to do this, I recommend some sort of multi-surface wipe, which comes wet and comes in one of these cellulose cloths. It's great for giving your knife a quick wipe over. You can give the tools a quick disinfect. Depends what you've been using them for. If they haven't got a lot of dirt or soiling on them, you can just give them a quick wipe, a quick disinfect. These come moist, ready to go, and they have a sanitizer in them, so they're going to kill things. Then you can give your knife blade a clean. Now, this one's a bit gummed up with the usual muck from sellotape, so we'll come back to that. I haven't used the can opener much, so we'll give that a quick clean. The same with the corkscrew, so really quick. Now, so quick clean, it didn't need much, it's been reasonably well looked after. If you've got gunk in the middle, what you can do is just use one of these coffee sticks, which you can get from a coffee shop, or the tweezers. The tweezers work equally well, but you can see, even though this is look fairly clean, I'm just getting a bit of gunk out. It just saves that gunk getting onto your blade. It keeps your blade clean. Now, if you've got this sellotape gummy residue, you can just use a little bit of oil to get it off. Now, I've got some food grade mineral oil, which I also use to lubricate it if needed, but you can just put a small amount onto this wipe, and the mineral oil breaks down the gummy residue. Just give it a little while to soak in, give it another clean. You might need to do it a couple of times. Let's just put a little bit more on. Get it right onto where the residue is. A little bit of time to work in. And I'll put a link to the mineral oil, but that's come up a lot cleaner now. Now, instead of the mineral oil, you can use just olive oil or even sunflower oil, so a vegetable oil. I think it's best to use something food grade. It depends. If you're going to clean the blade afterwards, it's not so bad. You could use WD-40, but then you've got to clean it off. Okay, I think that's pretty much there. So the nice thing about these is that they're fairly lint-free. Just a little bit of rubbing. Be very careful if it's sharp. Keep your fingers away from the edge. This is how I get most of my cuts actually on my fingers, is by cleaning. But if you're careful, and then it comes up okay. So now, if needed, put a little dab of oil in to lubricate, but check it. If your knife is operating fine like that, then I wouldn't even lubricate it. I'd only if it needs it, because the more oil you put on, then the more dirt and dust it attracts. So we've done that. The last stage is just to give it a quick hone, and I found that the Victorinox dual knife sharpener is just perfect. So now the angle's gonna look exaggerated. I'm going for about 17 to 20 degrees. I give it a few goes each side. Quick check to see that it's done. super sharp, ready to go. So it's good to keep your Victorinox well maintained, and if you haven't already, get into a weekly routine for doing this. The more often you do it, the easier it is and the less you have to clean. Hope you found this useful. What are your tips for regular maintenance? Leave a note in the comments. And if you like this, why not check out the longer version, and that's here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.